Hello, I'm Pedro, and this is my first Lego tutorial. Today we're going to make a microwave. First, you need two of these pieces, a door, one of these, and one of these. First, get one of these pieces, put this in the back for it to look like this. Get the door, put it here, it'll look like this. Then get this piece, attach it here, and then attach this on the top. So it's going to look like this, and when you open it, it'll look like this. So here you go, a little Lego microwave. I'm going to make more Lego tutorials this week, and bye.